In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a kind of a peg self-drilling jig, if you want to see this. And what this would be great for is someone that's wanting to make, say like some cabinets or something like that. These are all kind of drill guides, and you can see the different sizes in the drill guides, 16, 32, 32, and you got all the different sizes of drill bits lined through there. And this thing is very high quality, everybody. This does not feel cheap at all. And that's what you get right there. And then here is some drill guides. So opening up this is going to be your drill stopper right there. You're going to put that drill stopper on there, put that on the bit. So this will slide down, say like that. Let's say I only want to go about that much. I'll put that on there like that. So now I've got a drill stop on there. You get a little, this is called the shelf pin and jig hinge kit. So what this is great for is adding shelves or something in like a drawer or any type of cabinets. You can see how it kind of goes down onto the wood, and you'll just run your drill straight down on there. And you would put a hinge or something like that on there. I'm going to go ahead, I got a piece of wood out here, and I'm going to drill it and show you drilling how nice that is, and see how it has that stopper on there so you don't go any further right there. And then this one is for that one right there, but they give you one drill stopper. So let me go ahead, set this thing up, and then let's drill some wood. So let's do that now. You know, Makita drill. We'll go ahead and install the drill bit. And let me just kind of like show you on this board how this thing is going to work. So you would line it up, and you would obviously put it down in a better spot. And watch this. I can just go down each one. Got to tighten that up. Let me tighten that up a little more. Okay, so I've got my drill stopper on there. You can see that right there, the drill stopper. And there's a set screw right there to tighten this thing up. So I've tightened it down all the way. And let's just kind of like, let me show you exactly. Let's say, see what I did there? See how that one went all the way through? And then because I have the stopper on there, it went right there into that one. So if I wanted to just go like a little ways into each one, you see how nice and uniform these holes are? You see that? All of those are nice and uniform. If I want to go all the way down, then what I'll do is loosen up that drill stopper, and it'll go all the way down. But this is one of these items that I think anyone should have that's working on cabinets, whether you're putting in hinges or some sort of shelving or something like that. You can put your, set screws down in there, and that's what holds it in place. It's one of these, and it's a very high quality item. Like I said, this does not feel cheap at all. This thing feels really solid. It looks like anodized aluminum the way it feels right there, with a good drill guide and a drill bit. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the shelf jig kit. See you all in the next video.